Hello, everyone. How are you doing? My name is Jagadish Sharma, and welcome back to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. The program can't start because MSVCP140.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. These are the required system files, which are automatically installed when you install Windows. So, chances are the MSVCP140.dll file is actually there, but somehow corrupted. Our solution is to reinstall that file. The file link will be available in the video description. Go and download the file. After the download process is complete, simply right-click on the zip file and extract it. After that, open it. Here, you need to select a folder according to your version of Windows. If you know which version of Windows you are running, then you can go ahead. Otherwise, go to the Windows desktop screen. Right-click this PC icon. In the context menu, select Properties. In System Type, you will find which version of Windows you are running. It's either 32-bit or a 64-bit. My computer is running the 64-bit version of Windows, so I'm entering the 64-bit folder. Now, you will get MSVCP140.dll file. Copy it. Now, on the left, go to this PC. Navigate to C drive. Navigate to Windows folder. In the middle of the page, you will find System 32 folder. Open it. Make sure that you are in System 32 directory, which contains Windows system files and other software program files running in your PC. Paste that DLL file that you copied from the link provided in the description of the video. Now, restart your computer and try launching the program that was giving you the error. Is it working? Great. But if you have experienced any difficulties, please do not hesitate to comment below and let us know. I will get back to you in next video as soon as possible. Okay, that's it for today. If you want more video, then subscribe New Tech.